Welcome to my honest review of Salesforce, one of the most popular customer relationship management (CRM) platforms on the market. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger enterprise, Salesforce promises to streamline your customer interactions and help you grow your business. But does it live up to the hype? Let's start by talking about the features. Salesforce offers a wide range of tools that cater to different aspects of customer relationship management. From sales automation to customer service, Salesforce tries to cover it all. The platform is customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your company's specific needs. It integrates with various other platforms, which is great if you're already using different business tools. However, the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and it takes time to get used to the interface. Speaking of the interface, while Salesforce has made improvements over the years, it's still not the most intuitive platform. Navigating through the dashboard can feel cluttered, and it's easy to get lost in the settings. The good news is, there's a robust knowledge base and plenty of support options, including forums and tutorials, to help guide you through the learning process. But be prepared to invest some time if you're a beginner. As for pricing, Salesforce offers several plans depending on your business size and needs. The pricing can get quite expensive, especially for small businesses. While you're paying for a high-quality service, it's important to weigh the cost against your budget. For larger companies, the return on investment can be significant, but small businesses might find more affordable options out there. One feature that sets Salesforce apart from other CRMs is its strong reporting and analytics capabilities. You can track your sales, monitor performance, and predict future trends, which helps in making data-driven decisions. However, this level of analysis comes with a learning curve and isn't always easy to access for first-time users. Another downside is that Salesforce can feel a bit disconnected when you first start using it. You have to connect the dots between different modules like sales, marketing, and service, and it takes time for the system to start working seamlessly. That said, once it's up and running, the level of automation and customization you can achieve is impressive. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. All in all, Salesforce is a powerful CRM, but it's not for everyone. If you're a small business or just getting started with CRM tools, it might be a bit overkill. However, for large organizations that need a comprehensive solution and are willing to invest the time and money to make it work, Salesforce can be a game changer. If you're considering Salesforce, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial to see if it's a good fit for your needs. Overall, it's a robust platform that delivers, but only if you're ready to invest in it. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth reviews of business tools and platforms.